like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
There's a little wooden swing down by the pier. The moss hangs by the pines, been hanging there for years. When I took your hand and walked down to the dock, you told me that you loved me, you weren't ever gonna stop. And that's how I know I belong where you go. Someone's mama wore this dress in 1953. I bet way back then she looked a little bit like me in this vintage lace that we found on the road. In that dime store way out west, we started talking about a home, and that's how I know I belong where you go. Anywhere I'll follow you, the hills of Tennessee or the emerald ocean blue. Of nothing else, I've been so sure that baby I belong where you are, where you Bobby socks and dresses sewn in blue. Sooner than we planned, now everything's brand new. But you take her hand and walk down to the dock. I can tell you love her, boy, and you ain't ever gonna stop. And that's how I know I belong where you go. I belong where you go. I belong where you go.
I'll be your chase it down, tough it out, sideline when there's no crowd, or the roots in your ground. I'll be your wrecking ball, brick wall, glass of wine or whiskey strong. The good when it's gone, the right when it's all wrong. I'll lay next to you, let our bodies fall easy, let my hands receive. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Ooh. From sundown to sunrise, that line truth, that sober high, your last bed to buy. An open field, a wild horse, those four wheels if you're wanting more. Or if you just wanna ride, I'll lay next to you, let our bodies fall easy, let my hands recede. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Ooh. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If they fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies fall easy. Let my hands receive. I'll lay next to you. Light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you. I'll lay next to you. Give me space, let your dreams take flight. Fly. I'll hold you tight if you fall. I'll lay next to you. I'll lay next to you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Sometimes it feels like these old ways are hanging on like wax, dripping off the candle, burning slow. These days I'm dragging on, and dragging on. Oh Lord, sometimes these days I don't know. Yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my rear view mirror. I could slide back to those wild days, make my way back to those simple times, but I keep standing by the highways on these lonely roads, begging like a poor man, begging like a poor man. Yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking at my rear view mirror. These feelings filling up my head space, and worries and doubts running circles around my soul. It's funny living in this time and place. Something about living in these days is all I know. All I know. Yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, can't stop looking at my yesterday is over and tomorrow ain't here. Although I'm 7 years sober, I can't stop looking, I can't stop looking. Lord, help me stop looking at my rear mirror. Take me as I am? Will you take me as I am? Take me as I am. 'Cause I'm listening like a child, begging